Dear students, in this module, I will explain how you calculate missing frequencies and some additional problems which we always use using the arithmetic mean. So first problem, in a class of 50 students, 10 have failed and their average marks is 2.5. The total marks secured by the entire class is 281. Find the average marks of those who passed. So those who got failed is there, total number of students and total marks is there. From this we can calculate the missing information. So marks of 10 students who failed, 2.5 into 10, that is 25 marks. Total marks of 50 students is also known, that is 281. Therefore, marks of those who failed, 281 minus 25, that is equal to 256 marks. So therefore, average marks of those who failed is equal to 256 divided by 40, that is equal to 6.4 marks. Now, the second problem. A certain number of salesmen were appointed in different territories and the following data were compiled from their sales reports. Mean is 19.2. Find the missing frequency. So if you see the distribution, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20, 20 to 24, 24 to 28, 28 to 32, 32 to 36 and 36 to 40. This is the group frequency distribution. Now the frequency values 11, 13, 16, 14. Next value is missing. Next value is 9, 17, 6 and 4. So these are the values. So the missing information we have to calculate. So I am taking an assumed mean from the middle value. So you know that I already explained that when you are doing the group distribution, mid values will be the basis for computing mean. So here you have to remember that you are taking the mid values 5, 10, 14, 18, 22, 26, 30, 34 and 38. Now one mid value from the series you are selecting as the assumed mean. So you are taking 22 as the assumed mean. Now you are taking deviations of all these values from the assumed mean. So you will get values like minus 16, minus 12, minus 8, minus 4, 0, 4, 8, 12 and 16. Now you will take the deviations, that is divided by the class interval. So this d values divided by 4, that will be the minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you have the frequency values 11, 13, 16, 14 and now the missing value you have to find out, that is f, and 17, 6 and 4. So total of this frequency values 90 plus f. So the missing frequency we are denoting as f. Now missing value is total and fd dash we have to take the total, that is minus 44, minus 39, minus 32, minus 14, 0, 9, 34, 18 and 16. So the total you will get minus 52. Now you have to substitute the values in the equation. So 19.92 is equal to 22 plus assume mean 22 plus minus 52 divided by 90 plus f into 4. 4 is the class interval. So now 19.2, this 22 you can bring it to the left side. 19.2 minus 22 is equal to minus 52 divided by 90 plus f into 4. Now you have to cross multiply this 19.92 and 22. The difference is minus 2.08. Now when you multiply on the right side, minus 208 divided by 90 plus f1. So you have to cross multiply the equation now. So you will get minus 187.2 plus 208 is equal to minus 208. Now you can cancel the minus signs on both sides. Then it will become positive. So you are getting a positive equation. 187.2 plus 208 is equal to 2.08f. So 187.2 plus 208, you will get 20.8. That is equal to 2.08f. So f value is equal to 20.8 divided by 2.08, that is equal to 10. Therefore, the missing frequency value is 10. Now one more problem we are doing. The mean of 200 items was 50. Later it was discovered that 2 items were wrongly read as 90 and 10 instead of 192 and 88. So 2 wrong values are entered instead of the correct values. Find out the correct mean. So x bar is equal to sigma fx by n. 50, that is the mean. 50 is equal to sigma fx divided by 200. So to cross multiply the equation, you will get sigma fx is equal to 10,000. So corrected mean f sigma fx is equal to 10,000 minus the wrong values 90 and 10 you have to subtract, then the correct values you have to add 192 plus 88. So you will get the corrected sigma fx as 10,180. Now the correct arithmetic mean will be 10,180 divided by 200, that is equal to 50.9. So this is what I want to explain with this module, missing frequency and some additional problems which you will usually get for the examination. Thank you.